So we are here and we will require a useless headphone and the mic in every headphone is right here in this piece, so we will need to remove the mic because it is not working, and we should make the mic out of this thing. So let's get started. So we will just remove it kind of like this, and it is been, so right now it has been removed successfully, and I've cut the connections with this thing. So we will take this part also, and we don't need this, so we'll throw it away. Okay, so now we will reattach it to it is, and as I will show you that where is the mic. So this part is the microphone, and yeah, just right in the place. Now we will just put it back on. So it's done. But if you want to make it a little bit more attractive and more good looking, just take this type of cloth, black color, and just put it just like this. It will look a bit of ugly, but it will be good. Just wrap it around. It is for demonstrating purpose. So done, and voila, it's done. So now we will just check this mic. So first we should insert this microphone right here, and I will fix that. Okay, whatever, we should go and open microphone tester. We should search by mic test, and as you can see, it has opened. Let's test it online. So here's the basic part. Now you have to just click this. It's loading. Just click it. Still loading, and not showing anything to me. Okay, it has been done. Okay, so let's see. Hello, as you can see, the lines are moving just right here, and I will just go ahead. Hello, anybody there? Hello, anybody there? And as you can see, by just tapping it, it creates some sort of sound waves, and so that's the mic. And I use this mic in some of my videos because I don't have any like of that. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more videos and click the bell icon, and thank you for watching.